We'll jump into example number one. With our solvent, that was the first time we really took a pattern and turned it into an equation, and then we went ahead and solved and worked with that equation. There's more than one way to do that, and we're going to explore different story problems and different examples here to get you just some exposure, some practice to it, okay? So the table shows the cost of weekend tickets to the Slide and Splash water park. Find a pattern between the number of tickets and the cost of the tickets. Write a rule, an equation that represents the pattern. How much would 6 tickets cost? So it's the same kind of thing. We got 2 steps. Step 1, find the pattern. And then the second step, find out 6 tickets. So this is what I like to do, just kind of write down to make sure I don't miss anything on a test, is I reread the question and I write down the things that I'm asked to do. Find a pattern, find 6 tickets. So here's what we got. Let's identify some of the changes. So like, what's the change happening with the number of tickets? So 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. Every time we are going +1, right? So add a new ticket and the price changes, right? Well, how much is the price changing by? If we went from $16.50 to $22, how much did we add in price? So, and one way we can do that is we can take $22 and subtract $16.50, and that'll give us the price of one of the tickets. So 0 subtract 0 is 0. We can't take away here, can't take away there. So we're going to borrow back 1. This is going to turn into 12. We'll borrow from the 12 and turn this into 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And we're just going to bring that decimal down. So it was $5.50 for a ticket. So if we're at $16.50 and we add $5.50, we'll land on $22.50. If we're at $22.50 and we add another $5.50 because we bought another ticket, then we'll land on $27.50. So what's happening? What kind of pattern or equation can I write? For every ticket that I get, I'm going to take that and multiply it by $5.50. So it's $5.50 for every ticket is going to equal my total cost. So cool, we found our pattern, we wrote an equation. That step is done. $5.50 for every ticket will be my cost. So how much is 6 tickets? So we're going to take 6 and plug it in. So $5.50 times 6 tickets will get me my cost. So we've got to solve that somewhere, right? 550 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. So we put the 0 down, carry the 3. 6 times 5 is 30, and then add that 3, so we'll have 33. I have 1, 2 decimal place values, none here. So I'm going to move my answer 1, 2. So if I had 6, it would be $33. Another way you could have done it is just continue the pattern. Every new ticket, I'm adding $5.50. So from my $5 total, I could have just added another $5.50, and we get to 33. But the big thing I really wanted you to be able to do is, can you build your own equation so that if I asked you 20 tickets, 100 tickets, if I asked you any amount of tickets, would you be able to figure it out? I mean, I can look backwards too. What if I asked you for 2 tickets? Would you be able to find out what that would equal?